Good morning. Diba? Everything. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Hi, Nunu. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. It's Monday and it's about 8:30. We've been up for more than an hour. And I'm just giving Yusuf some breakfast. I had some leftover oatmeal from yesterday. He loves oatmeal. You like oatmeal? Yeah. A very quick breakfast. I just put some almond milk on top. Warmed it up. More? You want more? Anyway, so today the plan is to get some Ramadan prep going, as there's probably about a week before Ramadan starts. It's not too much prep. I was just thinking of getting some of the decor up today. I don't really know what I have and how it's gonna look, so the plan is to get started and then see how it's coming along, and then if I need more or oh, bless you. Really? And if I need more, I was thinking of just going out and supplementing, maybe DIYing some things. I don't really plan to go crazy. Like, I don't want Ramadan to be this, like, I don't want Ramadan to be all about, like, you know, the decor and the look of it, because that's not what I think it's about. In some ways, I think we're trying to meet some expectations of a North American holiday, and I think it's nice. I definitely agree that, you know, make it you know, enjoyable, make it look exciting, especially for young children, but I don't think we need to spend a whole crazy amount of did you lose it? You lost your toy? هسه جيب لك إياها هسه. Okay? I don't believe in spending a ton of money on, you know, items that I'll only be using for a few weeks. And like I said, it's not about the decor. So we'll see what I have. My sister did gift me some things. Other than that, I'll be going out to meet my friends for a picnic. I don't know if I'll vlog that just because maybe they're not comfortable. But that's kind of my day. It's just some Ramadan prep and going out to the park to meet a friend. So maybe I'll take you along with me, and we'll see how things go. This one here is struggling with a cold for the 4th, 5th day now. But he seems like he's in good spirits. It's kind of hard to see him like this. Yeah, definitely gotta clean his nose. Hi. Ready to go for a walk? Yeah? نروح نتمشى حياتي؟ يلا نروح نتمشى. تعالي. Okay, so we just had to go to the grocery store and get some things for our picnic later. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna head home with Yusuf. It's almost his nap time. It's suggested at 10:30 and it's already, I think, 10 to 10. I might take the longer way, go through the park, and then go home because he seems to be okay, but honestly you never know with him. Hi Yusuf. ها عجبك المشية؟ ها؟ وجيت تاكل بسكوتة. يمي يمي. Oh my نونو. ها hey hello. Oh my goodness. Mwah. Yummy yummy. Hi habibi. Oh my goodness. Okay, just curious, when you're walking on a street and you pass a fellow hijabi, do you say salaam alaikum or do you just, look the other way and keep walking? It is so nice out today. I can't wait until all the trees become green and the grass and bushes luscious. But I'm getting really warm. I think I'm gonna take off my jacket. So along with the cake, I decided to make some tofu, sticky tofu wraps. Right here, I'm just adding some sun-dried tomato paste on a tortilla wrap. I'm adding some sliced cucumber, some sliced tomato. I have a little bit of parsley. You can add coriander if you like that. I have some red pepper and green onion. Honestly, you can just add whatever vegetables you have. These are the ones that I have. Here comes the tofu. I can add the recipe for the sauce that I used for it, but it's very simple, very easy, and it tastes really yummy. And here I just have a mixture of mayonnaise and ketchup with a little bit of mustard. And yeah, basically you just gotta roll it afterwards. It's a little bit difficult. I think I stuffed it way too much. As you can see, I'm struggling. You can do the best, honestly. It doesn't matter. It's still gonna taste good. I think later here I decided to get some parchment paper. Yep, there it is. I think next time just put the parchment paper first. And yeah, roll it as best as you can. So things got a little busy, but this is the cake. And I'm going to try to flip it right now for you, and I'll be right back. And there it is. Got a little bit of dripping right here, but yeah, very easy recipe, and I will try to remember to link the one I used in the description for you. Okay, so I'm also going to be making a snack for me and Yusuf. So I have some peanut butter. A little bit of that on. He woke up from his nap and he's just been so grumpy. Like, I had to finish cooking and it was just a little bit of a pain to get everything done because he wanted immediate attention, and I was like, I need to finish. But you know, you power through and you do what you can. I ended up calling my mom to entertain him. Usually that works because he's like, someone's talking to me. Oh, we have our peanut butter. Gonna get our banana. Okay. Just a little bit. And just for like added protein, I like to put some hemp hearts. Just sprinkle a little bit on that too. And we're going to fold like a burrito. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that same pan that I was using earlier and then just get it nice and warm in there. Let's see, did that. Looks good. Yummy? Mm-hmm. طيبة? No, just unfolded the whole thing. Huh? Hi, Yusuf. طيبة? Yummy? Yes, yummy. صح حياتي. Alright, I'm just gonna eat mine now. Left the park. It was quite a lovely outing and I forgot to vlog. But it started to rain, so we left just in time. Alhamdulillah. And we're heading home, and who knows, I don't think I'll be doing anything other than feeding my child and yeah, putting him to bed. But if there's anything else, I'll